Today we're going to be doing a Royal Hawaiian, but we're going to do it with my take on a Royal Hawaiian. I'm a very big fan of how the Luxardo and Amaretto mix well with this drink, so that's what we're going to incorporate. A little cherry, a little Amaretto to round out this drink so it's not so sweet and give it a little depth and taste. The main ingredient is going to be 2 ounces of gin in this drink, but today we're going to keep this to the end. I'm not going to put it into the shaker as of yet. Now I'm using 2 ounces of Hendrick's gin, and I did add 1 ounce of butterfly pea flower serum to it. Now, if you don't want to add the butterfly pea serum to it, you don't have to. It's just for presentation purposes, or you could even buy Empress gin, which already has it. It already has this nice purple color already. So we're going to put this aside for later on. The other ingredients for this drink is going to be 1/4 ounce of Luxardo maraschino liquor, 1/4 ounce of Amaretto, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and 1/4 ounce of orgeat syrup. Once you have these ingredients into the shaker, go ahead and seal the shaker and then shake it. Seal it. From there, you're going to go ahead and pour into a cup of crushed ice. And this is where we're saving the butterfly pea gin for the end. What I want to do is I want to try to layer the top with this blue to give a nice contrast. So I'm going to take a bar spoon, put it to the edge, and pour gently the gin with the butterfly pea into the bar spoon. Now I did get some on top of the bar top, but as you can see, have that nice color contrast. So to go ahead and garnish this drink, what you're going to do is add a dried pineapple. Yeah, well, let me rip this. Here you go. And also like a little pineapple leaf, just give it a little character. There you go. And there you have it. A cherry version of the Royal Hawaiian. Now, to try this drink out, I'm going to go ahead and call Maria over to give this drink a try. Now, before you try this, the layer is just for presentation. The layer is for presentation. I'm going to go ahead and mix it up for you so that way you don't get just straight gin if you try it.
But I like the way it was.
I know, but it's going to taste like gin.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
So am I supposed to eat a little bit of the dry fruit and then, or just?
No, it's just garnish. It's just garnish for looks. If you want to eat it, feel free to. I'm going to take this out so it doesn't poke you in the eye.
Thank you.
Feel free.
Safety matters.
Yeah, safety does matter.
Wow, it's good.
It's good?
Yes.
Ah, you hate maraschino liquor. That's fine. It's more for me.
No.
So any other comments on the drink or anything? Just as good? That's it?
Let me go back.
Oh, come back. I mean, just good is, you know.
It is pretty good. Apparently, I'm not allowed to take it all because otherwise I'm going to be drinking it all until the bottom over here.
Probably in 2 seconds.
2 seconds?
Yeah.
You had too much for you. It's really good. Try it, definitely try it. Ah, no.
That's all right. Nice. All right. Thank you very much for your.
I don't care. Mine too.
Well, that does it. Maria likes it as well. If you'd like to see me make this drink and make other drinks according to your reputation, according to whatever you'd like to recommend, like and subscribe to this channel. Even if you'd like me to show you different techniques, like today I showed you layering, I can show you other techniques as well. Like, subscribe, and DM me. Thank you.